Johnny Real Estate here with my good friend Johnny Fireworks. We're down here at 1814 West FM 1187, just a Roman candle west of Nicky D's. I want to meet you, my good friend and my brother, Mr. Johnny Fireworks. Johnny, take it away. Thank you, Johnny Real Estate. You're awesome. Here at Johnny Fireworks, you get more pop for your pesos, just like these Fiesta fireworks. Boom, boom, bam. You think your Hemi's tough? Come down here, we'll run them against a big block V8. Hey, Johnny Real Estate, we got the wacky tobacco. It's medicinal, TNT, jumping jacks, crazy crackling groundhogs. We got more clip-on ties than any other fireworks stand in Tarrant County, guaranteed. Blaster poppies. Now it's kind of funny because we're down here drinking this Pyro Cola. After what happened last year, we blew my friend's foot up. I'm more patriotic than about anybody. The world's largest selection of pooping dogs. Saturn missiles. Here at Johnny Fireworks, we sing the national anthem on the hour, every hour. Whistling kitty chasers. Cat black pancakes. So loud it'll make a preacher cuss. We put the right in patriotic. Born in the USA. Born in the US of A. America, America. God shed His grace on thee and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. Johnny Fireworks here.